Today, we will show you how to configure computer network. First, open the initial configuration task. After that, set the date and time settings.
After organizing the date and time setting, now change the time zone.
In Configure Networking, this is where you set the IP address of your server. Take note that the last number in default gateway should be greater than the last number of your IP address.
After setting the IP address, provide your computer name. It is normal that your computer will restart after these changes. When your computer starts up again, please enter the password.
Again, open the initial configuration task and go to Enable Remote Desktop and click the second option. After that, enable the Windows Firewall.
Now, we're done in the initial configuration task. Let's go to the Server Manager and add the roles. The first role that we will add is the Active Directory Domain Services. Then wait for the installation to be finished. When the installation is finished, click Windows R and type dcpromo.exe to create your domain forest. Then follow the steps that we provided. Then, your computer will restart again and log in the password. After the domain for us has been created, go to the server manager again, add roles, and choose DHCP. In adding the IP in the scope, you can follow the IP that you provided in your computer server. Now, let's go to the client and open the Network Sharing Center. Go to the local area connection and click Properties. Let's set the IP address to default. Now go to the Start menu and right-click Computer and go to the Properties. Change setting. Click Change. Provide your computer name. Click the domain option and type the domain that you created in your server. Now provide the username and password of your domain. After that, your computer will start again.
Let's go back to the server and create our own user so that we can log in our client. Please watch the video that we provided carefully. Let's go back to the client and log in the user that we created. Let's go back to our server and install the file services because we will now perform the folder redirection.
First step is that we create a folder in our server. Rename it if you want. Now, go to the properties, click sharing, now click share. Add everyone, and choose an option that to make it a co-owner. Now click share. Now it's done.
Now, let's go to the Group Policy Management in the Administrative Tools and create a GPO link in our domain. After that, just follow our steps. Let's go back to our client. Click Windows and find the CMD and type GP update, and then your client will restart. When your client will start up again, you must log in first. Next, create a folder that you will share to your server. Let us now prove if the folder redirection is completed successfully. Now, we're done.